Since 2009, CEMEX has taken part in exchanging places, getting cyclists to get into the cab of our large vehicles. To date, around 8,000 cyclists have got into the cab and seen the road from the driver's perspective. Let's see what cyclists learned from the experience.
I knew that the front bit, they can't see you directly, because somebody else said that, but I had no idea. I thought if I went alongside on the inside of the vehicle, they would be able to see me from the window, but obviously not at all, and that's probably my most dangerous place.
It was really interesting because I think that I've always thought, and maybe other cyclists think too, that when you find yourself next to a long vehicle, the safest thing to do is kind of squeeze up to the front so that they can see you. But I was actually really kind of shocked and freaked out by those spaces at the front where actually you've got no chance of being seen, so staying back always seems to be the best option.
I knew that the front and the sides weren't a good place to be. It's what I tell everyone when they start cycling in London: you should never ever be on the inside of a lorry. And although if you do get injured to an extent, there's responsibility on both sides, but if you're never there, then there can never be an accident.
I thought that was incredibly useful. I knew it was difficult and stressful being up there. I hadn't appreciated how difficult it actually is to keep track of all your surroundings at the same time, and how easy it is to miss a cyclist.
You can never expect a lorry driver to be able to look at 9 different mirrors at once. It's just not human. Humans can't do that. I think if you're going to consider cycling in London, you should know what it's like to be other road users. Otherwise, you're never going to be a safe cyclist. And I think the same thing goes for lorry drivers. The policeman in there was telling me that when lorry drivers go and be trained, they are also put on bikes, and I think that's important.
CEMEX will continue to do more of these exchanging places so that cyclists learn about the blind spots around vehicles.